We are here with Mumbai, the Mumbai Spurs supporters group.
When I was just a little boy, Mama, they gave me a little.
I can summarize it in one word. It's
Yeah,
not looking
please.
good, bruh.
One-on-one, Martinelli.
No, my God! I was the fan, honestly.
Balls are absolutely in my mouth. You could have scored 2 goals and this is disgraceful. Bro, I never knew that there were so many Spurs fans in my life.
Let's go! There are cops over here. So you're not going to celebrate. Spurs, how are you doing?
Ask him the score.
I can't give an interview right now, please.
We are here with Mumbai, the Mumbai Spurs supporters group.
And don't be shocked if you think you didn't know they had one, neither did we.
Yeah. And also, Arsenal Mumbai supporters group, first of all. I'm in the. I hate them. This Mumbai Spurs group has been so nice to us, so thank you for welcoming us.
Except for the part where they were calling them wankers.
Yeah. Apart from that, I still like them more than Arsenal supporters group Mumbai. So small. The game is about to start. I walked in with negative vibes, but right now I'm in a fight or flight mode and my body's chosen flight. So I think we're gonna Spurs.
Should we get an early match prediction from the three of us also?
Yeah, okay. Matt, you go first.
I'll say Spurs 2-1.
I'm gonna go. Yes, I'm gonna go. Arsenal 3-2 is gonna be an entertaining game. Satu.
I started with a draw, but these guys, I hope we win 3-0. Bro.
One guy standing there like he wants to beat you up this Saturday.
He's like,
He's like, who the you entry, man?
what's up, bro?
Who gave you entry? I was asking you that.
Ayush.
Oh, I just gave you entry.
Yeah.
I'll speak to Ayush and next time his entry, he'll be banned for sure.
No, you come here. Fuck Arsenal, Mumbai. Fuck Arsenal, Mumbai. Fuck them hard. Fuck Arsenal, Mumbai. Fuck Arsenal, Mumbai. Go Arsenal! Go Arsenal! Go Arsenal! We have a Spurs fan over here. Pre-match. Any pre-match predictions you want to make real quick?
I think so, 2-all draw.
We win this one 2-1.
3-0 Spurs.
3-0 Spurs. Yeah. Bold out of the gate. 3-1 Spurs. Best of luck. Absolutely.
Go marching in. Oh, when the Spurs go marching in. I don't wanna be.
This was a good idea coming all the way here. I'm trying to show a strong demeanor, but I'm kind of shaking right now. Not gonna lie.
I'm also getting a little scared.
First of all, let's get something out of the way. I don't understand why there are Spurs fans in India. So, why are you a Spurs fan? What attracted you to the club?
I have
The trophies they won?
no. I have been supporting Spurs since the day.
Not a real fan.
Since the days of Robbie Keane and Berbatov, they were my favorite pair of strikers, and there was something about how entertaining all the games were. So irrespective of trophies or anything, I found that vibe.
What made me choose Spurs in particular is the community that we have, as you can see.
Community, not gonna lie, pretty good.
And secondly, we are
Much more than I expected.
we have one of the cleanest clubs. We are the most cleanest source clubs.
What does all that mean?
Okay, so we don't have an oil sponsor. We might have a betting sponsor or two this season, which I'm not happy
Gala
about.
Basuma on your squad, bro.
Dude, Bissouma was cleared of all charges.
Okay.
I am not just a Spurs fan. I used to work for the club, so I'm not just a Spurs.
Legitimate reason. Okay, fair enough.
So not. I started supporting Spurs back in 2010. So it was Gareth Bale that first caught my eye, and I've been a Spurs fan ever since.
There are many players, iconic players like Gareth Bale and Harry Kane, of course. So because of that, because of few players, we start following the club. So one of those big reasons. And of course, after that, there comes the management. So yeah, there are a few great managers as well. That's why.
It's the third minute. Let them be happy. Let them enjoy. Just waiting for
Number
that first goal.
21, his name is Kulusevski.
He's a Chelsea fan.
I love this chance.
Shoot his own white to blend in.
Yeah, really. Good start early on. Give your thoughts. Come on.
2-1, definitely us. It's going to be us. Look at us dominating the field every single game. We will do it today too.
These two over there are telling me you're at bottle jobs. You will start well and end.
When I was just a little boy, Mama, they gave me a little toy. I was the fan on the street. She told me to kick it. Fucking hate it. Yes, fucking hate it.
Blind rank these midfielders from 1 to 5. Number 1, Bissouma. 5.
Probably 3,
3. James Ward-Prowse.
4,
4, I guess.
4. Dewsbury Hall.
3,
5.
5.
Hamza Chaudhry.
Only because I'm from Calcutta too.
Oh my god. I fucked it up. Okay, yeah, 2.
It is getting worse actually. 1.
Oh god, I got this bad. I have to put him at 2.
I saved the best for the last. Oh, you said Hamza Chaudhry 1? Oh no. My trick didn't work. Martin Odegaard. Six.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
First.
Another Spurs fan ranks my captain as the number 1 midfielder. Absolutely love it. Love the camaraderie we're trying to build over here. I haven't really been watching the match because I've been getting groped by the Tottenham fans. So I haven't had my eyes on the screen. But Sattu, I'm trying to make a video over here. Can you tell him to shut the fuck up? But
I can
Sattu,
summarize it in one word. It's
Yeah,
not
please.
looking good, bruh.
That's not one word.
he's not slept, bro. Mikel Arteta looks like he hasn't slept for the past 2
I must
weeks.
say, I just want to know who's a better Premier League player of all time. Is it Harry Kane or is it Thierry Henry?
Oh god, okay.
Oh God.
Statistically, I think
Every
Kane is
question.
better. But
Statistically, I mean,
it's
I have more
tough, but
goals,
I'll
I
go for
guess.
Kane.
He goes for
Statistically,
Kane. Statistically,
trophies.
but eye test, the eye test. Who's better? The eye test.
Arey, but let's do
Aesthetically better.
trophies, no statistics based on trophies.
Trophies now you can't do with a Tottenham fan. No.
Obviously, it's a very close call. Harry Kane. Harry Kane. I said Harry Kane. Dude, it's not a question. Harry Kane by statistics and by eye watch. Harry Kane.
What are they thinking?
What are they singing? What are they singing? Do they even have songs? North London forever.
I didn't know they had anything to sing about.
Whatever the weather, these streets are ours. 1-on-1, Martinelli. No! Oh my god!
Out of every option he had there, I can't believe that's what he did.
He's really in his head, bro.
Sterling needs to come on ASAP. Is he even on the bench?
Yeah, I think, I'm not sure. There are 2 sections of this bar. One outside which has no AC, inside has AC. Come here for a cool down break because global warming is getting insane. Yash, I've got a few of my friends here in case these Spurs fans decide to attack me. So thank you everyone. Yeah, Abbas, recent guest on the pod. We have a Real Madrid fan with us. Thoughts about the game, Yash? How's it going so far? Hey, Motherchut! Thoughts on the game?
We've not been able to watch anything till we came inside, so now it's good.
Any comments on the Mumbai Spurs so far?
I'll say after we leave, bro, these people are seemingly dangerous. I didn't know India had so many Spurs fans only.
My balls are in my mouth. That is all I have to say, bro. My balls are absolutely in my mouth. You could have scored 2 goals and this is disgraceful, bro. I never knew that there were so many Spurs fans in my life.
From the last 18 years, all the trophies you all have won, which has been your favorite?
Carabao Cup. Of course, Carabao Cup 2008. But yeah, we recently been to the Champions League final. So that counts for something, at least in my books.
We have only one Carling Cup.
Oh no.
The Europa League.
Y'all have won the Europa League?
Yeah, we have.
When?
Before I was born, but yeah, we have.
I don't think it was called the Europa League back then, buddy.
Whatever it is, the trophy was the same.
My favorite memory.
From all the memories that you
Yeah, my
created.
favorite memory has been Audi Cup and the blank. I'm joking. See, we have a massive history. I can't let go of that.
Fair enough.
We just need to go to the next level, which we are doing slowly.
Slowly. Maybe next decade or next century. When is that gonna happen?
You know what? You're an Arsenal fan. You don't get to speak here. You guys have bottled the Premier League for 2 years.
So I have one message for Arsenal Mumbai supporters group. We have, as a podcast, we have one message. We are only here for one reason. I would have been at Arsenal Mumbai supporters group if they were nice and kind. But I have only one message for them, and you're gonna hear that real quick.
What do we think of Arsenal Mumbai?
Let me-
What do we think of Arsenal Mumbai? Thank you. That's so. We hate Arsenal Mumbai.
We hate Arsenal Mumbai! We hate Arsenal Mumbai! We hate Arsenal Mumbai! We hate Arsenal Mumbai! So we have, it's halftime right now. We have with us Aryan Ayush or
Arya Gupta.
From the Spurs group, Spurs supporters group. By now you must have caught up on why I, an Arsenal fan, is here at the Tottenham Spurs supporters group.
Mumbai Spurs.
Little drunk, apologize. But he has some inside info to give you more fuel to hate them.
Alright, I'll give you the backstory. So I contacted one of the admins of Arsenal Mumbai. I told him, bro, let's do good business. Alright, I went to him with a perspective of business, right?
Okay.
I went to
Who
him.
doesn't like making money?
Exactly.
Who doesn't like making
Exactly. You have 200 people of your own of Arsenal Mumbai.
Yeah.
We can gather 100. Let's be.
Sorry, go on.
So I said we can gather 100. You can gather 200 at best. Let's do a screening together. We'll whatever the the costing and everything back end was that.
We split it.
Yeah. That was taken care of. We said let's do a joint screening. Arsenal and Mumbai.
Which would have been great, by the way, like to show,
Amazing.
like we care about the people
I'll
going
tell you-
at each other.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I was convinced Premier League official would have been interested in that because
100%.
I was in talks with them.
100%.
Yeah. So they said no because of whatever violent outcome there may be. So I was like, bro, I'll take care of that.
What violent outcome? I'm alone as an Arsenal fan. Two of us are, two people are over here with three Arsenal fans are here alone with, how many people are here? 25? Sorry.
Pan the camera over there. Are we 25? Pan the camera over there. Are we 25 people over here?
And there's no violence. I mean, violence with our words, which is fine, right?
Are you feeling insecure?
No, I'm not
Are you
really.
feeling threatened?
No, I'm not really.
Arsenal Mumbai did.
A little bit threatened. but
Fucking
it's
pussies, aren't you all?
This guy, bro, just pan to this camera 1 second. He pops out every screen, which we appreciate. But he comes with every jersey fucking every time, bro. I want to know, can you tell me which Arsenal players currently would make the Spurs starting 11?
Maybe Declan Rice.
That's it, Declan Rice, because the midfield's a little bit weak.
Declan Rice.
Saka.
Rice. I think, to be honest, Saka would make it, and I think either Gabriel or Saliba would make it right now.
I think the best bet for us right now might be set pieces. Hopefully we can vote them. I feel like Spurs are finally getting tired now after going gung-ho for like 60 minutes. Let's go! Oh fuck, there are cops over here.
Casuals going
But
big, bro. The cops are out to
Arsenal just scored. Arsenal just scored. The cops are here. Are they actually here?
Arsenal scored, the cops
The
are
cops
here,
actually
everything's
here.
popping off right now.
Yeah, just. I said set pieces are going to be our best bet. Are the cops here? North London. Okay, there are cops over here. So you're not going to celebrate. Yeah. But Arsenal scored.
Everything's popping off all at once.
I literally said 2 minutes ago, set pieces are going to be our best bet. And we scored.
Almost pulled the tane and missed this one because I wanted to pee.
The cops are here, so I'm not going too insane. Can't beef with Arsenal Mumbai and the cops together. It might be too much for me. Just look at their faces. They look so happy, right?
Never seen a place more quiet in my life. The looks, the glare Sammy was getting, bro. I'm scared we're not gonna walk out of here alive.
Here with a Spurs fan. It's 1-0. Spurs, how you doing?
Ask him the score. I can't give an interview right now, please.
Okay, he can't give an interview. He's taking the defeat very hard.
Full time whistle.
Full time, let's go, baby! Any final post-match thoughts? Well fought victory. Y'all only lost 1-0 to us.
We should have won that game like every other.
Y'all should have totally won that game.
Yeah, like every other Northern derby.
They should have totally won that game.
At least
They should have won that game. They should have won.
Tottenham fans welcome you.
No, thank you so much. But can we talk about the game?
No. At least Tottenham fans welcome. See, the game does not exist in my memory anymore. It's over.
Okay, post-match thoughts. Arsenal victorious at a 1-0 victory. Goal from whom? I forgot.
Gabriel.
Gabriel goal. Too much adrenaline pumping. What do you want? You got the victory. But yeah, thank you so much to Mumbai Supporters Group. Thank you to everyone who's
you,
here.
guys.
Our friends who showed up to a fucking Spurs screening. Sumer is a hardcore Arsenal fan and he only showed up because the casuals requested him. So thank you so much.
Fan of the casuals. Big fan of seeing Spurs lose.
Yes, request to all. Big thanks to Sahil, big thanks to Sumer, Zio, myself, of course, Sattu, Abbas, Burgess. You guys have any comments? Anyone wants to say anything?
Yeah, and Joe on it. Just forgot Saad and Jay as well.
Yes, Yash Shah and Jay were here. Sorry. Yash, Saad and Jay were here too. But just from our MMA expert, thoughts?
Spurs seems like they're much nicer than Arsenal fans, bro. So overall, W day.
W day. Slay.
But you know what's coming? Fuck Arsenal Mumbai Supporters Group for not letting us record there. I mean, all we're trying to do is give you free content, and if you're going to be that brain dead, it's only your fault. I don't want to take any names, but they left us on red. That's all I can say. Yeah, it's a disgrace. It is a disgrace. We won, and I had to record with our fucking rivals.
So that's the outro, bro. Boss. We will speak about it again.
I'm getting heated. I'm sweating a little more.
It's fine. We had fun, but this is probably better anyways.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much.
you.
Like, subscribe, unsubscribe,
subscribe
like
again.
unlike, comment. Let us know.